Welcome back, wanderers. Traveling with a big family can feel like herding cats on roller skates through an airport, but it doesn't have to. Today we're sharing 10 pro tips to help large families travel smarter, cheaper, and with way less stress. These are our go-to strategies from years of traveling the world with kids. Pro tip number 1, plan like a project manager. Create a shared Google Drive or Notes folder with flights, cruise documents, packing lists, and confirmation numbers. Everyone knows where to find the info, so you're not the only one answering, "What time do we leave?" 100 times. Pro tip number 2, color code everything. Assign each family member a color for luggage tags, toothbrushes, water bottles, and packing cubes. It makes packing and unpacking 10 times faster when you instantly know whose stuff is whose. Pro tip number 3, bundle your bookings. Large families get huge value by bundling flights, cruises, and hotels through one travel agent or site. Look for family suite deals or interconnecting cabins. And don't forget, kids sail free sometimes. A good agent will stack those perks for you. Pro tip number 4, book meals and excursions early. Big groups fill fast. Reserve dining times, kids clubs, and shore excursions as soon as booking opens. Even if you change your plans later, you at least have a spot locked in. Better to cancel than miss out. Pro tip number 5, divide and conquer. Assign each adult a zone or a job. One handles passports, one handles snacks, one manages boarding passes. When everyone has a role, no one gets overwhelmed and nothing gets left behind. Pro tip number 6, pack a first day survival bag. Carry on a bag with swimsuits, PJs, charging cords, and snacks. If your checked luggage lags behind you or your room isn't ready, you can still hit the pool and keep the kids happy. Pro tip number 7, prep offline entertainment. Download movies, games, and audiobooks before you go. Wi-Fi is spotty on the ships and planes. Offline content keeps everyone sane during travel days and quiet nights. Pro tip number 8, simplify laundry on the go. Bring a travel-sized detergent and collapsible hamper. Many ships and hotels have self-serve laundry rooms. Wash a few loads mid-trip and you can pack half as much clothing. Pro tip number 9, schedule recharge moments. Big families need quiet time. Plan a daily break, maybe kids club for them, coffee or a nap for you. You'll all have more patience and energy for the fun stuff. Pro tip number 10, capture everyone, not just the kids. Designate a family photographer for the day. Rotate so everyone appears in all the memories. Bonus pro tip, set up a shared album so all phones sync all the pics to one place. Traveling with a big family is chaotic, but it's the best kind of chaos when you're prepared. Use these 10 pro tips to save money, time, and sanity on your next adventure. If you're enjoying these tips, hit that like button, drop us a comment with your questions, and don't forget to subscribe, ring that notification bell so you can keep track of all of our travel adventures. Come wander with us.